In Realist, would you like to know how to modify this report? Let's say that you wanted to take out the names of the owner. Come down to the bottom, look for the tab that says Modify, and notice now it says a choice, Display. Now I have not done anything, I'm just hovering my mouse over that word display, and now every single thing that is available to you to display, you can change. So let's say I'm going to take off owner information. Now look, you can see it is no longer there. Now that being said, if I leave it like this, and the next time I log into Realist to look at another property, I also won't see the owner information. So if you only want to do it temporarily, don't forget to come back to your display and then check that box again so the next time you use Realist, you will be able to have that at your fingertips. But it will set it permanently in that mode if that's what you want.